Hey everyone, in this video we're visiting a 27-foot long tiny house on wheels with a unique floating staircase and a beautiful interior design that incorporates lots of thrifted pieces and local art. The tiny house is parked in a stunning setting on one of the oldest peach farms in the Niagara region of Canada, and it's set up as a place where people can come to reconnect with nature. In this video we're going to meet with the owner to get a full tour, so let's go check it out. This video is sponsored by Omaze. They're offering the chance to win the tiny house of your dreams while also raising money to help people experiencing homelessness during the COVID-19 pandemic. Stay tuned till the end to get all the details on how to enter, and you can also visit omaze.com/exploring to find out more.
The tiny house is approximately 27 feet by 9 feet. It was actually built by a secondary trades learning program, and I like that I have that reliable foundation to the home itself, and then I can just add my touches on top of it. My intention for the home has always been that I wanted a place for people to come and restart, get back to nature. So I'm located on my family farm. It's been in my family since 1810, and it's one of the first peach farms in Canada. When I bought the tiny home, the only thing that was in it was this countertop with the sink and then this. And then I ended up adding this countertop for the fridge and the stove. I felt that an extra little cook space would be ideal. The electric top has proven to be quite efficient. This is best for short-term guests because they really don't cook a lot. It's more about reheating, and for that I have the microwave inside there. And then a little bit of a pantry area. I love vintage. I love thrifting, so as much stuff in here that I can, I thrift. So like these jars, the mugs, teacups, the classic Pyrex. In here, the washroom was finished. So the toilet, sink, and shower were completely installed. I try to recycle as much as possible. I love driftwood. So this is recycled leather, scraps, which I use on all the windows, and then just a piece of driftwood to go in there, and a little bit of shelving. And that's it. Keep it pretty simple. Stand-up shower is actually pretty standard for an apartment size. With the stairs, this is some super old wood from a friend of mine's grandfather's barn. But the beam itself is original from our farm. And I knew that I wanted to use this. I think that I love the juxtaposition between this very crisp, stark white paneling and then having very much neutral tones. And fun part, I traded 3 goats and a sheep to get the stairs put in. So, you know, just a classic small town swap. The loft is a full queen size bed, and I have a little TV tray in case somebody wants to have their coffee or something like that up there. There is a functioning window. The art that's up there as well are Polaroids from a local artist, and they're all Polaroids of different streets or icons in our area. And then a couple of drawings and prints from other local artists. Technically, the second loft can't be used as a loft to sleep in because it doesn't have enough access to an emergency exit, whereas that loft has the full window where you could, I guess, tuck and roll out. I don't know if I would do it. I might just take my chance at the stairs. And then that loft I just use as storage. I keep the dog bed up there when guests don't have a dog. And I have some meditation pillows. I have a step stool under here that folds up, so if they want to get to it, they can. So I got these from an antique auction. They're not matching, and I like that. And then this enamel top, which is totally underrated. Enamel top counters are like the best thing. I got this on Kijiji, and I cut off the back legs so that it fit over the wheel well. Initially I had it turned, but it just felt like it took up too much space, and I like the flow down the center of the house better. It also is good for people that are traveling for business in any type of way because it can be a desk. I have a little table with TV. The Wi-Fi comes off of our house. For water, we have city water, and electricity is hooked into our house, so that's really easy. I have AC, and for heating, when it comes to the cooler months, we have 3 small heating units. The first thing that I bought for this house, I bought this couch. Mustard couch, and it was a futon. It fit perfect. It was meant to be. I love it. These are from my grandma. They're just cute little pillows that she had in her house. I also farm willow, so I weave baskets like this, and then I love wool. So punch needle art like that, along with the needle felting. So I definitely wanted to make this a place that people traveling with their animal could come. So we've had everything from kittens and cats to dogs of all different breeds. Eventually, I would like this to be a retreat, but right now this is on Airbnb, and that also helps for me to be paying off the home. And then I could venture into that next step.
If you want to find out more about this tiny house, we'll put the Airbnb link in the description below. We're also super excited to be collaborating with Omaze on a new chance to win a fully customized tiny house built by Modern Tiny Living with a value of $100,000. We've seen a lot of tiny houses over the years, and there's always little changes we would make to each one so that it would suit us perfectly. So the chance to fully customize a modern tiny living home would be awesome. At the top of our list would be a functional space to work from home, a comfortable lounging area that could also be turned into a guest bed, and we would definitely want to have a staircase to make loft access safe and easy. When you enter to win a custom tiny house, you also help raise money for PATH, which is an organization whose mission is to end homelessness. PATH is on the front lines of the COVID-19 crisis, helping the most vulnerable and saving lives. So to potentially win the tiny house of your dreams and support a great cause, go to omaze.com/exploring. Also be sure to subscribe to Exploring Alternatives for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.